Welcome back, dropshipping enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the art of promoting dropship products with precision and effectiveness. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your sales, this step-by-step guide is tailored just for you. 1. Utilize social media platforms. First up, we're tapping into the immense potential of social media platforms, especially the dynamic world of TikTok. It's a goldmine for uncovering hidden gems in your niche. Start by searching for popular keywords related to your products. This simple step will lead you to engaging videos showcasing potential winners. And here's the secret sauce: interact with these videos. Like, comment, share. Not only does this build connections, but it also refines your feed towards winning dropshipping products. 2. Engage with other dropshippers. Building a network within the dropshipping community is an invaluable asset. When you come across content from fellow dropshippers, don't just scroll by. Engage. Like, comment, and share their videos. This not only shows support but also nurtures relationships. Stay updated on the latest trends and discover hidden gems for testing. This collaborative approach can lead to powerful insights and potential partnerships within the dropshipping realm. 3. Filter search results. Let's talk strategy. When you're scouring platforms like AliExpress, don't miss out on the power of search filters. They're your secret weapon. Refine your search based on various criteria. Sort by post time, or even by the number of likes. This way, you uncover the freshest, trending products that are poised for success. It's a strategic move that saves time and zeroes in on products that truly resonate with your audience. 4. Timing is crucial. Here's a crucial tip: in the fast-paced world of dropshipping, timing is everything. Avoid the saturated markets, those products that have been done to death. Instead, stay proactive. Keep an eye on the trends. Be that one step ahead. Identify emerging product trends before they hit saturation. This requires constant research and staying ahead of market developments. By strategically timing your product promotions, you'll capture the attention of your target audience and drive those sales. And there you have it, a masterclass in promoting dropship products. Remember, success in dropshipping is all about strategy, precision, and staying ahead of the curve. By utilizing social media, engaging with fellow dropshippers, smart filtering, and impeccable timing, you're well on your way to dropshipping mastery. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell for more expert insights. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy dropshipping!